Most product businesses think they have a marketing problem. They don't. They have a system problem, because selling a product is not one thing. It's not a post, it's not an ad, it's not a campaign. It's everything working together, from first impression to click to purchase to repeat purchase. And if that system isn't connected, it breaks. After more than 30 years in the industry, launching over 2,000 products, and working with founders just like you, I can tell you this with certainty. The product businesses that grow, the ones that scale, the ones that actually generate consistent revenue, they don't rely on random marketing. They rely on systems. Because without a system, you're guessing. You're posting, you're testing ads, you're trying influencers, but nothing compounds, nothing improves, and nothing scales. I've seen this over and over again. Product founders juggling platforms. Shopify over here, ads over there, email somewhere else, social somewhere else. Nothing talking to each other. Traffic coming in, but not converting. Customers buying, but never coming back. Leads getting lost because there's no structure behind it. And that's where growth stalls. Not because demand isn't there, but because the system isn't built. So what we built at Rabbit is not just marketing. It's a complete product marketing system designed specifically for businesses that sell products. Because product businesses are different. You're not just generating leads, you're driving purchases, you're managing margins, you're building repeat customers, and your marketing has to support all of that. Here's what that really means. First, we help you capture demand through landing pages, product pages, email capture. So when someone is interested, you don't lose them. Then we connect your storefront, your website, your checkout, your customer data, all working together. Because if your store isn't optimized, traffic doesn't matter. Then we automate your follow-up, abandoned cart, post-purchase, re-engagement. So you're not just getting customers, you're increasing lifetime value. Because real growth doesn't come from one sale, it comes from repeat sales. Then we expand your reach, paid ads, content, influencers, driving the right traffic to the right offer at the right time. Because traffic without targeting is just wasted spend. And finally, we bring it all together. Email, SMS, retargeting, customer journeys. So every interaction builds on the last. That's the difference. This isn't about doing more marketing, it's about building a system that turns attention into customers, and customers into repeat revenue. When this is set up the right way, something changes. You stop guessing, you stop wasting ad spend, you stop relying on one-off sales, and you start building consistency. You know where your sales are coming from, you know what's converting, you know what's scaling. And that's how product businesses grow. A lot of founders never get here. They stay stuck in tactics, trying ads, trying posts, trying influencers, hoping something works, but nothing sticks because there's no system behind it. We don't do that. We build the system first, so everything else performs better. If I were in your position right now, I wouldn't be asking, what marketing should I try next? I'd be asking, how do I build a system that actually drives sales? Because that's the real question. So the next step is simple. Schedule a strategy session with us. We'll look at your product, your current marketing, your store, your funnels, and where things are breaking down. And we'll show you exactly what it would take to build a system that actually converts. If it makes sense, we can move forward. If it doesn't, at least you walk away with clarity. But I will tell you this, if your marketing isn't connected, it's costing you in lost sales, in wasted ad spend, in missed repeat customers. If you're serious about growing your product business, you need a system, not more tactics. Go ahead and schedule the session right now. Let's build something that actually scales.